Planning a SQLAlchemy migration often means wrestling with Alembic scripts and schema diffs. Both Gemini and ChatGPT can generate boilerplate, but they approach the problem differently. Gemini tends to produce more context-aware migration code, factoring in existing table relationships and indexing strategies. ChatGPT, on the other hand, often delivers concise, self-contained scripts that work well for isolated changes. In testing, Gemini handled complex foreign key cascades and data migrations with fewer manual corrections. ChatGPT excelled at generating upgrade/downgrade pairs for simple column additions. The key difference lies in how each model interprets schema context. Gemini pulls more from surrounding code, while ChatGPT focuses on the immediate task. For production migrations, a hybrid approach works best. Use Gemini for initial schema analysis and ChatGPT for quick, targeted scripts. Ultimately, the right choice depends on whether your migration involves deep schema restructuring or straightforward column updates.